Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will see how to install themes and plugin to WordPress using FTP and cPanel. Installing themes and plugin from the WordPress dashboard is the easiest way. But when there is a PHP timeout or a connection issue, it's difficult to upload such big files properly. As a solution, we can connect using FTP or cPanel and upload the file to WordPress. First, we will see how to upload files through FTP. First, you have to log into the cPanel of WebHost and navigate to the FTP accounts under Files. You can create a new FTP account from there. After entering login, domain and password, insert public HTML to the directory and click on Create an FTP account button to create your account. In the below, you can see all the FTP accounts you have created. And when you click on Configure FTP client, you can see the configuration of your FTP application. We can use an FTP client like FileZilla and connect to the server. To do that, open FileZilla and type sample.lk in the host field and enter username and password you entered when creating the FTP account. And enter 21 as the port number as it is the default port for FTP Connect. Click on Quick Connect to connect and click OK when the certificate pops up. Then you can see the directory which WordPress is installed and you can find the themes and plugin in the WP content folder. To install a theme using FTP, navigate into WP content folder and double click on themes. You can see the already installed themes which is 2021 which is the default theme. To add a new theme to this, we should extract the theme first, because we can't extract the zip file after uploading it to the directory. Extract the theme first and drag and drop the folder into the themes directory. Then you can see the files are uploading on the bottom tab. And this might take a bit of time, but don't worry. All the files will be uploaded one by one. So when there's no way to install themes using the dashboard, you can use this method to upload large files. After finishing uploading the entire directory, we can see the files of the theme that we installed just now. Then when we log into the WordPress dashboard and go to the appearances, then themes, we can see the new theme that we uploaded. You can activate that theme with one click and start developing the website. To install the plugins, we use the same procedure. You may find the WP content folder in the FileZilla directory and inside that you can see the plugin folder. As we uploaded the theme, you can extract your downloaded plugins and drag and drop those plugins to the plugins directory. Then you can activate those plugins in the WordPress as we did for themes. That's how we install themes and plugins from FTP in a proper way. Now let's see how we can install themes and plugins using cPanel. First of all, you should have access to your cPanel, and if you have, you can log into the cPanel. When you scroll down, you will find the File Manager under File section. When you click on the link, you will find your project, the website that you have currently developing. In that project folder, you can see the folder named WP Content. And there you can find two folders, themes and plugins, where we going to upload the files. To install a theme using this method, first double click on the themes folder and you can find the already installed theme 2021 in here. We can upload our new theme using the upload button at the top. And you can select the file from your computer or drag and drop the downloaded theme file there. It is not mandatory to extract the file before upload as we did in FTP. You can drag and drop the zip file here. After a few minutes, you can see the upload is completed. You can click on the Go Back button and find the theme that we uploaded just now. You can right click on the zip file and extract it there. After the extraction, reload the file manager and you can open and see the entire folder of the theme that we installed. Then you can log into your WordPress dashboard and find the installed theme in Themes under Appearances. You can activate it there as usual we do and continue building your website. To install a plugin using this method, you should follow the same procedure we used to install a theme. Double click on the WP Content folder and open the plugins. Click on the upload button and upload the plugins file as a zip file. After the upload is completed, go back to the plugins folder and right click and extract the plugins that we uploaded just now. Then log into your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugins. You can see the plugins we installed just now. Click on Activate to activate the plugins. And now you can use them. That's how we install themes and plugins using cPanel File Manager.